It's assuming I have to close it, it's just, yeah, that's weird, that's wild. So that's how much now, but this is 1 year. Now we can use this formula. Yes. So then you do 3146 minus the 3,000 you invested. Take that, the 146, and divide it by that initial 3,000. Why does it say 3,008? Because my fat ass you type it wrong. Damn it, there we go. So you take Jesus 313782. Minus 3,000. That 13782 divided by that 3,000 we started with, and it's there, 4.59%, which is a bit more than the 4.25, which it should be. So his formula is good, except he just, oh, bastard, look what he put. He put it at the bottom. That's a little confusing. I don't know why he wrote it that way. Just take the line there. That's right. Everything's good. I just didn't realize the bottom. Cool?
Yeah.
All right, we'll fix that. We'll get the points in for you. What you got, Dominic?
Just do
Yes.
yeah, this is times 45 years.
45 years, yeah.
4,000.
Doesn't seem right, does it? Let's take a look at that.
That's two, but it doesn't.
Yeah, but that's way too small. So we're doing 200 a month times that big ass formula. 1 plus 0.0678 divided by 12. Now the vertices aren't there, so weird. And we're raising it to the 12 times 45 power. Minus 1 is over. That could, I don't know why that would be. That seems like a very strange place for it. And then at the bottom, 0.0678 divided by 12. Yeah, that's that.
Okay, so I did it entirely.
Oh! I wonder if you did the single deposit. Oh yeah, single deposit. That's the non-recurring thing. That you put $200 once. And then it's a different 45 years. Which explains why that's so damn small. Because he's going to invest in every month.
Okay, so
Cool, you got it. I am. I'm gonna go up and open up the Zoom.
Okay, I'll let her put it.
Okay, cool.
I have a real,
Hey,
what's over?
Looks like Dallas.
Because I'm gonna correct it.
Daily.
Do we have till Monday to turn in permanent papers? Is that one more?
sure. That's totally fine. 5 points, yeah. That's daily. Yeah, you divide it by 365, which is adorable. I didn't want you to do it by a daily compound. No, it's only this one was annually. Oh, when you read annually, your brain said 365. It's just one.
Yeah.
Because 365 means it compounds 365 times a year.
Okay.
But
So it should have just been one.
just one.
Okay.
Exactly. That's why I said it's a trick question, because the answer to that is 4.25%.
And then, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a picture of this and send it to you. I think on the test, I went down a tangent. And
Oh.
when I went further down, I'm like, I don't have percentages.
Oh, interesting.
So then I'm like, where did I, like,
Sure,
I took
sure.
the left hand.
I took a left-hand turn because I should be getting these things that are point something, and I'm getting something that's like 100 and blah, blah, whatever.
Yeah,
Does
it's
that
actually,
take home? I didn't remind me. I
just-
wanted to ask you about the last question.
What's the last question?
oh, it's
It's-
yeah,
yeah.
so,
This one.
oh, and then on this one, like, I'm on here. Right, you're looking at the flippers data. So you're telling me
Yeah, see, I didn't.
that I need to get more, like, so you've circled groupings, but those are just for.
That's
just
for me.
you.
Can I want to look in here, because I wrote this like a month ago, so I have to look at it.
Yeah.
Okay, so on average, how long is the longest run?
So,
Based on the, I had to go back and look at that simulator, because I don't know what that simulator, that video, I don't know what it said.
well, it wasn't the video, I thought it was on this.
Well, this one is based on the
That's the video.
simulator's data.
Oh, okay,
So
so
you'd have to-
I thought it was on the picture, so I was hopping in and
Now,
watching
now,
videos.
U is going to be here for E. Look back up to the flippers data, on average, how long is their longest run?
And that's the one I was doing.
Okay, so let's do that.
I'm gonna watch videos
Now,
together.
these are flippers. Okay, longest run is 4.
So I can use the groupings, that's what I started doing.
Well, if I circled the right one, but then here, like this kid, you can. But this kid, their longest run is 3. See? They got T, 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 H, H, H. So that's cool.
So it's longest run for each.
For each kid, and then divide by 10, there's
Okay.
10 of them.
That's-
I think there's 10. Check me, just make sure there's 10.
There's 10 each, 120 trials.
There's 12 each then, so you're gonna divide by 12.
Yes.
So you're gonna divide by 12.
Okay.
Okay, now I'm with you now. I wrote this down.
Yeah, no, so that's, because I kind of like went down the rabbit hole of realizing I was only doing the boxes on.
Got
There's-
you.
There's more, but we're looking at the longest run for each person.
For each person. So some of them, I was only circling the ones that were 4 or
Which
greater
one?
because, thank you. I was only circling the ones that were 4 or greater because those are the ones I was hyper focused on.
Yeah, I
Because
realized that towards the end, and I'm like, I'm just gonna confirm, because then.
Yeah, you're good,
Because
you're
then I was
good.
looking at this and I'm like, well, crap, we could do all kinds of runs. Am I supposed to do total runs? Then I
Gotcha.
went,
Went
I'm
down the
putting
rabbit
this
hole.
down
Right,
and
you went down the
not
rabbit
gonna
hole.
look at it.
No, I got you, I got you, I got
Now,
you.
her question,
Well, I get super confused when I don't see all of the information in the graph. Completely threw me,
Well, the graph's in the video.
and
so
I
this is
looked
back
at
to
it,
the graph.
and I like stared at it, and I.
Well, you're comparing both, right? You're
Got it.
comparing the.
I haven't gone that far.
No, that's okay. You're comparing what happened with the kids to what happened on the computer.
Right, and it was really hard for me to do versus the class, the flippers and the takers, because I
take-
could see it.
Well, then take a picture of the graph
Well, I
in
ended
the
up,
video and then
I
just
need
put
to
it
tell you
next
what
to
I
it.
did, because it's super bizarre and I don't remember us going over it in class. I don't want to send her.
What's that?
I'll tell you later.
Okay, you can always take a screenshot of what's in the video and then put it next to the exam. That way you can get everything at once.
And then I figured
Or
out
that.
like our thing where we're like, we don't know. Like,
I have no idea
why
which-
equations work.
Mhm.
It's because when we're studying and doing it, you give us the equation
It-
with the problem.
And then you remove from that.
And then when
It's like, shit,
oh,
what do I do
come on,
now?
we
Which
can
is
practice
why-
this way.
That's why when I did when I was looking at the last project for what to do on Wednesday, I'm like, oh, I can give you 25 points for doing the project. And we can answer your question, which one to use where.
Yeah.
And we can do it together, so you're not feeling panicked.
It would be great to have a sheet that says what.
You're gonna have that.
Yeah.
You're gonna have that. I mean, you're
Like, we would
literally,
really,
I'm not
I've
gonna,
been like going like this every single.
there's no reason
Me
to.
and testing.
Yeah, there's
That's
no
like
reason,
where
I-
there's no reason to memorize those formulas. I
I
mean,
get a lot of anxiety because.
oh, there's no reason to memorize those.
bad times.
I'm never gonna have you
fast.
memorize formulas now, that's just silly. That's
Okay,
silly.
so, yeah.
Let me shut this down. I gotta keep talking. I gotta start walking. Well, I gotta get up to my office hours. I gotta open up for my
Okay,
students.
so then can I have like, an extra time to finish this today? Just have it.
Yes.
I don't know what I do, this is just, I'm like, I don't know what is wrong with me this term. I have like completely, I lose things,
where's my
I misplace things, I forget things.
That's okay. I've never been as absent with weird stuff this year as I.
Was that okay to talk about in your letter? Was that okay?
Oh, no, that was perfectly fine. It made sense. And it's actually nice, the other letter and your letter kind of complement.
Oh, good.
Kind of jive. And
Good.
it's so funny because your writing styles are different. And
Oh,
like,
yeah.
so I love that.
Mine's very
they're
conversational.
Very
I bet you.
different.
Who did
yeah.
you get to do the other one? Do you remember? Who's it?
Anthony Rosso for writing.
Who I've never met except for one very brief time.
I did his 121 class and now I'm doing his online 122.
Got it. Seems
And
like a
so-
sweet dude.
But I did do his in person.
Oh, okay.
So and now I'm online. So
I
I
gotcha.
at least kind of knew how.
For sure. Yeah, roughly how it's gonna
But
go.
he's
Sure.
more of a creative writer, so he liked your letter.